Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. You're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This is a 215 square yard site where we are at today. This is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. That's the configuration of this house. Let's get started. The place where I have just entered, this is the dining section of this house. This portion where I am moving towards, this is the formal living space, which has a huge fixed window, and this is a transparent toughened glass. This is probably a mesmerizing view when it's raining in summers. You talk about the air conditioning system, this is all provisioning given to you. On your left hand side you can see the provisioning. This is a plain wall here on my right and on my left, and on my front this is a plain wall. This is left for your customizations. This is a wallpaper. This is a wooden board which is pasted at the back side, and this has a wallpaper. ये कुछ अच्छा डिज़ाइन लग रहा है आप लोगों के लिए। जैसे आप अपने घर में डाइनिंग का पोर्शन रखते हैं तो डाइनिंग में थोड़ा सा इस तरीके का डिज़ाइन अच्छा भी लगता है, हेरिटेज है। ये आपका एयर कंडीशनिंग का प्रोविजनिंग है। सीलिंग की अगर आप बात करेंगे टुवर्ड्स द सीलिंग, दिस इज एन इंजीनियर्ड वुड ऑन द सीलिंग विच हैज़ अ शैंडलियर अबव मी. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ फैन विच इज़ बाय हैवेल्स. सीलिंग प्रॉपरली अगर आप देखेंगे सेंटर में इंजीनियर्ड वुड दी है, साइड में इन्होंने स्क्वायर शेप दे दिया है. On the surface, this is all Italian marble. Over the ceiling towards the formal living space, it's a normal ceiling which has an LED light inside it, which is pleasant. This is again a chandelier, and there is an engineered wood on this roof, which is given for the design. That's your cable connection. You do not have to get the wire installed again. This is already pre-installed out here. Formal living space is also connected to the balcony which is in the front. Here is your wet area. This is your vessel. This is your tap, and that's your drainage pipe where the water will get drained. This is your external unit where it will be hung, and on the left hand side you'll see it's all textured towards in the front. This is all MS, and you've got the toughened glass. Underneath you talk about the flooring, the surface of the balcony. This is all laminated flooring. This is a wooden shaded laminated flooring, and this has also a textured tiles here as well. A plain tile भी दी हुई है यहाँ पर, थोड़ा सा textured भी है. This is again UPVC. So once we move inside to the hallway, which is the formal living space, this formal living space has a very beautiful wooden work done towards my left hand side, and this bifurcates the dining space here. Let's get inside to the powder room, which is just on my left. This is a small vanity by Kohler, a bowl shaped vanity. This is a natural stone given. These are all the drawers. Wall mounted commode seat. You've got the tiling work done on the walls. This is a sensor operated glass mirror. See, that's the illumination. That's how this has got 3 lighting systems inbuilt. 3 LED lights इसमें inbuilt है. This is a mirror which will help you to refine your personality every single day. This is your drainage vessel, and underneath maybe इन्होंने wall mount seat दिया हुआ है, which is good. So let's get inside to the first bedroom of the house, which has an Italian on the surface, closet on my front, right wall stays empty, left is also empty. There would be the air conditioning system which will be installed. This is again cable dish TV wire. This is all your closet system. You talk about the ceiling, the design is simple and square. This is the balcony which is connected in the front. This also has a mesh door. This balcony is commonly shared with the formal living space of the house. Nothing much to showcase. Please show my viewers the surroundings. How is this going to look like, and what kind of gentry stays here within the surroundings of this place. Let's get back inside to the first bedroom. We'll cover up the washroom which is attached with this. This washroom has a glass channel which is a door, which is the shower area out here. This has a rain head, wall mount rain head. Sanitary fittings are by Jaguar, exhaust fan. This is all tiling work done beautifully well. Surface पे भी tiling work है. छोटे छोटे इसमें sparkles भी हैं tiles में. ये आपका beautiful bowl shaped vanity है. This is an Italian marble. This is your cabinetry wall mounted seat. You've got the shaft, geyser, and this is the running shelf to keep you off Wall Street. Good quality doors. This is your a normal, hallway and the passage area from where you will get connected to the second and the third bedroom. This will be covered with an engineered wood out here, or maybe you will place a glass here. This is left empty so that we can customize it as per the customer's requirement. So this is the kitchen on my left. That's the bedroom that we're gonna cover up. This is the master bedroom of the house, which has a wooden flooring on the surface, comes with a warranty of around 10 years. This is the closet section, and that's your dressers area as well. यहाँ पर में आपका closet है, ये fixed closet है. इधर से आप देखेंगे पूरा dressers room है. ये अभी सामान रखा हुआ है. For time being, this will get removed. This is your dressers area, and that's your washroom. Fall ceiling का design देखोगे, it's a square shape. Right and left wall is sent to be empty. For your customization, air conditioning का provisioning है. This is a natural stone countertop, a huge vanity bowl that I can see by Jaguar, mirror, and then you've got LED on top of it. This is by Kohler. This is a wall mount commode seat, and I will step out and then my cameraman will step inside to showcase you the rain shower, which is called the rain head, and the shower area, since one person can only get inside at one time. This is the fan above me. Go showcase once. This is the balcony space which is connected with the master bedroom of the house. This is a running balcony which has a wet area and a drainage vessel. You talk about that A.O. Smith का गीजर है. यहाँ पर आपका metal frame से cover करा हुआ है पूरा का पूरा. नीचे में आपका surface अगर आप देखेंगे, you've got the normal tiles. This is all for your safety measure that we've covered it. This is a granite top used on the borders. हाथ रखने के लिए कई बार आप बैठ सकते हैं यहाँ पर, या हाथ रख के खड़े हो सकते हैं. You can mesmerize the view. This is all tiling work done, all high-end tiles. This is again a geyser. You've got the vessel here. This is all UPVC. So this is the balcony which you'll be sharing common with the other bedroom of the house, which is the last bedroom, which is the normal bedroom. You can consider this as a second bedroom of the house. A small, compact, not that huge. Wooden flooring, again warranty comes for 10 years. Air conditioning का provisioning है. Small ceiling design, square shape. This is above me Havells cable TV wire. This is the balcony. Once again, we're sharing the same balcony as the master bedroom. This is the space that you'll be sharing, and that's the space for your external air conditioning system, which the unit will be hung. This also has the closet section here. Tiling on the surface, tiling on the walls. You've got the exhaust fan, ventilation window. This is your wall mount commode seat. This is the ventilation window. This is probably a bowl shaped vanity, and this has got some shelves, down cabinets. All sanitary fittings are by Jaguar. You've got the rain head on the ceiling. This is your Jaguar ka stuff, sanitary ka. ये glass channel दिया हुआ है. So this was about the last bedroom of the house. We'll now cover up the kitchen part. The kitchen part has a bisection given here of a glass. This is probably a pure wooden board, a design of a wooden board. That's the place where you can place your refrigerator. Kitchen is compact, not that huge. Since the plot size is small, you probably can accommodate approximately 3 to 4 people in this kitchen. You've got chimney and hob by calf. You've got the cabinet spaces. This is all LED sensor operated here as well. So if you close this, this is going to go off. This is your cabinet section. This is a natural countertop granite, which is stain free. Space to keep your cutlery, space to keep your multi-grains, modular switches. You've got designer tiles here. This is again a beautiful system. When you wash your utensils, you keep it here, and from here, if you're cooking like this, you can grab it from here. This is a beautiful shocker system which is given by the developer who has made this property by his whole heart. That's the space for your OTG, that's for oven and maybe something else. This vessel is movable and this fitting is by Jaguar. On the left hand side is the ventilation shaft. This is the mosquito net, the mesh, and that's your luminous fan. Ceiling stays simple, sober. This was all about the kitchen. And before we sign off, let me tell you, this property comes to you with the bird's eye view. This probably has a magnificent view. If somebody is coming down there, this camera is so visibly visible to the person whom you're calling, and you can see them. So they'll not be able to enter inside your premises unless and until you authorize them and you give them your green signal. That's how you can call someone inside. Before this, after this, there is a second level of frisking. This is your mechanism, the biometrics mechanism. If somebody is coming to your residence, supposedly say it's only you. If you forgot the code, it's bye-bye for you. If you don't remember the code, then only there is a problem. So anyone who's living in your family, people can access this only by the codes. So the code will be personally generated for you. This was Anupam Gambhir watching Estate Experts. Thank you so very much. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.